People's on Face by Trevi. Thank you for all the new subscribers for one, and then subscribe if you're not, because I know 75% of y'all are not, because I can see the analytics. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, right here. You see this? This one? Stay tuned and follow my social media at Face by Trevi. I'm sweating so bad. But let's get into this look. I'm not exactly sure how lighting looks because it's very cloudy outside. But this is going to be my 4th of July look. I know by the time this video is up, I'm going to be like 4 days late. But I'm using this Festival palette and it is around 4th of July. So it just makes sense. So this is from here. I got it in my BoxyCharm a few months ago. So I'm first going to be jumping into the shade Sunset right here. This pretty color right here. It has a little bit of shine to it, but I'm going in with that for my crease. So I'm putting that all in the upper crease. It really does kind of look like a sunset. It's very pretty in person. It has a very nice shimmer to it. I feel like this would be a nice, like with a medium brown crease all over the lid for like a natural day. Well, natural for me. I'm sweating so bad. So I'm just blending that all in the crease, in the upper crease. That color picks up on the brush and blends really, really nicely. It's very, very shimmery. But I've never used this palette. I used this this pink color once for a crease, and I think I used this for a crease once, but I've never used this, so trying it out. I'm going in next with the shade next to it. It's called Hidden Desert. It's this medium brown here, and I'm gonna take that on this very, very small blending brush, because I want to put that deep in the crease. I don't want to cover up all that pretty color we just put up there. I'm going to start in the middle and blend outwards into a wing. It's just going to deepen it a little bit. This color might need some time to build up on top of that last color. It blends really nice though, I will say that. Keep it very low in the crease. And I'm also going to cover that outer corner a little bit. That's what this looks like. It looks really nice with the halo of like the pinkish shimmery color underneath like the warm brown, but I'm going to go straight back in with Sunset a little bit more, just a little bit to add a little bit more color of it right here above where the brown starts to mix in, just to make sure that color comes through, because it's a very nice touch. And now the sun is trying to come out. What is it going to do? Yesterday I was at work, right? And it was supposed to thunderstorm really bad. And it wasn't bad. It was like sprinkling on and off, but then it would be sunny outside, then it'd be cloudy, and be sunny. It only worked 4 hours, so this happened so quick. And then this huge storm cloud comes over, right? Huge. Like, I thought it was about to be a tornado. And it swept, like, a ton of dust with it. So I'm over here trying to grab menus off the table. And all this dust is blowing into my eyes. Can't see. Next thing I know, I turn around and we got these huge umbrellas for our tables. One of the umbrellas gets swept out of the courtyard all the way down the parking lot, like over like a bunch of cars, like all the way down the street. The other one fell over, blew over a bunch of chairs, and they are couches. Literally some of them blew. And then once the cloud passed, everything was okay. It was sunny. I hate Michigan. So that's if you ever want to know what true Michigan is and you don't live here, that's what that is. Our weather is very bipolar. It never knows what it wants to do. Next, the next shade I'm going in with is very, very sheer because it's a glitter, basically just a pressed glitter. So I'm taking the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst. It's like a pink, can you see that? It's like pink with blue reflex. It's very, very pretty. With a blue shift. Kind of like this shirt, Marilyn Monroe. So I'm going to put that, I'm going to cut the crease with this. It is liquid. It dries really quick. Sometimes it still feels wet, but it's like dry. Like it dries almost immediately once it's down on the lid. So I'm going to cut the crease with this to put this as a base for the next shadow we're going in with, or glitter. I'm just putting a thin layer, but it's very beautiful. I'm gonna end it right about where the brown starts to fade into, right there. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Oh my god, that's pretty by itself. Like, it doesn't even need nothing. With the liner and the lash, it doesn't even need nothing else. But I'm gonna go in and do the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm gonna put this shade right here. What is it called? It's called Firework. It's right here. It's a gold and what is it called? What color is this? Gold and hot pink glitter, and that's gonna go right on top of where that cream went. And I don't know how to exactly use this because it's like quite literally a pressed glitter. Like, you can see that chunk, right? Do I just like throw it on? We'll see what happens. But it's very pretty, and this is gonna go right on top of. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, drop some on my face. You see, it's very chunky, but it applies very smooth. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. It's very blinding, but oh my god. Yeah, this definitely needed a base though. Also, trying to get it across like right where the cut is very difficult. Why are all that was trying to rain? Why are all glitters like this? Like, this is the easiest way to apply a glitter, but it seems like someone else. Once it's like, it's very easy to smooth out across the lid, but once you get it in where you want it, it seems like I don't know what they put in here, but it like sets down so it doesn't move more. So like, you can still go in there and try to blend it, but overall it's not gonna move too much. But it's very, very pretty. I don't know if you can't even see it like I can. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. It really goes with the tones as well, like the hot pink in here, but there are gold flecks because it's a gold and pink glitter. Beautiful. I wasn't going to do a liner for this, or a lash, because I'm going to work. I hate wearing lashes to work. But I might actually, I'm going to do a wing liner off camera and the rest of my face, and we'll come back. Just see what I do with the rest of my face. Good. Oh my god. So I did something new. You see that shine? Right there. I did something new to blend out my base, right? So I have this powder from Dusty from Bare Minerals, and it's a matte powder. It's called Matte and Glow Brilliant. I've had this from Bare Minerals for a while. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I can find it down description box. And so I always completely matte my face with translucent powders, and then I do my contour. I put extra powder on my cheeks so I can contour. It'll blend out by itself. Then I go over it and I blend all that excess powder away, and I extra blend my contour. But what I did today, I took this matte powder and I blend that in all like the parts I keep matte. So basically my forehead, everything, center, cheekbones, all the way down. But I took the glow powder and I blend my contour with that, and it gave me such a nice natural glow. Do you see that? That's so beautiful. I'm just like, because I love these powders. Well, not the matte one so much. I never really did. But I love the glow powder because it gives such a natural finish to the skin. And without being like extra like, girl, you got glitter on your cheek. Because it's like a sheen. It's really nice sheen. But I was like, it just sits there. I never use it. But I was like, I'm going to try it. And I actually like it. I look very nice right now. But going in, lower lash line, I'm taking I'm taking this same Hidden Desert shade, this warm brown right here, that we put in the middle crease or something like that, somewhere around them. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. That bright powder, though, you do want to be careful with it because you do not want to put it under your eye, because then you just look oily and shiny. It doesn't look good. Even if you do like that look, I'm telling you, this will not look good. Like, because I've done that by accident once. Like, let's see how it looks. So this is just going on the lower lash line. I'm going to blend it kind of low. It's very warm and chocolatey. I did a very thin wing liner today. I will say doing liner over this glitter is kind of rough. Just because it is like a cream, I would say. Because it's not a gel. It's not like the cheap ones you get at the dollar store with the gel underneath. But it does move a little bit. Not like significantly, but a little bit. It even creases a little bit, but it's not a huge difference. Like, you barely notice it at all, especially since it's so shiny. So I just did that. You saw it. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. I've been using a new blush, so like it's very very. It's not gonna go on my cheek. What's on this the color? I'm using Pink Out, okay, from Ulta. I don't know if they still sell it, but whatever blushes I've been using lately have been so good. The one thing I love about this brush is that it has like it applies. It applies once. I don't know if that makes sense. Like I can use this blush brush for like a whole month and every day and use different blushes and it never transfers the older color onto my cheeks. Look at that, it just shines through the blush. That's beautiful. If you can find this, get it. This Bare Minerals Duo palette, I don't know, I'm gonna link it down below, but it's beautiful. And next, hold on, let me finish my blush first. I'm trying to move on too quick. I'm sorry, it's the glitter. It's the glitter. It's the natural hair vibes. I'm back to wearing my natural hair. I like to put this on my forehead, my nose, a little bit on my chin, just to balance out color in the face, so it's not just like pink here and then it's just like, you know what I mean? It's like if you highlight just your forehead and everything else is like not highlighted, it's just like something's not right there. But I'm gonna take Crown of My Canopy from Wet and Wild. I'm gonna take this on a little fan brush to highlight the cheeks. I believe you still can find this. I just thought this would be like the best highlighter for this look since there's glitter on the lid and I already am using like a pink blush on the more subtle side compared to my other blushes. So I didn't want to overpower the cheeks with highlight, or I didn't want to do anything that wouldn't match well. And it goes very, very well actually. I'm going to put it heavily on the Cupid's bow. Like this. A little up and down motion. Then I'm going to do my brow bone. I could not think of that word for a second. I'm going to use this mirror because it's amazing. It's a great mirror. And highlight my brow bone just lightly because I already have a shimmer in my crease that's around the same tone. That's good. I know it doesn't look like, but that's because there's so much shine coming off my face right now from outside. But I'm putting just a little bit. Make sure I get that Cupid's bow again because I love a shimmery Cupid's bow. And I'll be right back. I lied. No, I'm not. I'm already here. I just gotta reach over here like this. And I grabbed this water bottle. You see this water bottle right here? We're about to... Oops, sorry. About to spray this brush. Next, I'm going to go in back with the Festival palette and jump into this shade. This, what should I use? I have an idea before this. This Free Spirit right here, this taupey shade as my inner corner on this pencil brush. Let's see how that looks. I hope it's cute because it's alright. It's alright. And we're just going to pile that into the inner corner. One thing I always like to do with my inner corner colors, I blend it, I got it on my nails, I blend it slightly up into the shadow, just a little bit, and I blend it down across like the first fourth of the lower lash line. I always feel like it just gives a nice open look to the inner corner eye, especially if you have small eyes like me and wear wing liner and makes your eye look smaller sometimes. But I always do that because it just opens up the eye a little bit more. Sorry my camera cut out because of space. I was going to film 2 videos today, but I guess that's not the plan anymore. But all I did off that camera was, yeah, I put this purple liner in my lower lash line. I applied the Better & Sex mascara top and bottom. I switched up my mascaras because I have so many. I truly don't use all of them because I always get stuck on my new one. So I switched up, started using this one. And then for lips, I did the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Strawberry Lemonade because I thought it would be really nice for this look, which it is. And it just complements the eyes without overpowering the whole look, and it's just very nice. I do wish I wore lashes though, but it's a very, very cute shimmery look for this past 4th of July that I missed. Well, I'm going to work, so it's a cute look for work. And I am Faced by Trevi. Thank you to everyone that subscribed. I've noticed y'all. I see everything. But thank you to all you who watch. I'm Faced by Trevi. Follow my social media down below. And subscribe if you're not. I know about 70%. I know 70% of y'all are not subscribed. But click my face over here. This is over there. There's one of these two places. I get confused. Click my face and subscribe. And one of the two sides, watch some of my other videos. And I will see you in the next one.